In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage orders in WooCommerce. We'll go through the basic order management workflow inside WooCommerce so you can confidently review customer purchases, update order details, and create manual orders when needed. This is one of the most important parts of running an online store because your orders area is where you track what customers bought, how they paid, and what needs to be shipped. To get started, open WooCommerce and go to the Orders section. This is where you'll find a list of your existing customer orders. Take a moment to review the list carefully. Here, you can usually see key information at a glance, such as the order number, customer, date, status, and total. This overview helps you quickly understand what's new, what's processing, and what may need your attention. When you want to inspect an order more closely, click on the order to open its details. Inside the order page, review everything carefully. Check the products included in the purchase, confirm the customer information, and look over the payment details and shipping information. This step is especially useful for making sure the order is accurate before fulfillment or before contacting the customer about any issue. If needed, update the order status. For example, you may need to move an order from processing to completed, or adjust it based on your store's workflow. Keeping statuses up to date is important because it helps you stay organized and can also affect what your customer sees about their purchase. You can also add order notes. Use private notes for internal communication or reminders that only your team should see. If necessary, add customer notes for updates the buyer should receive. Notes are a simple but powerful way to keep the order history clear and organized. When changes are required, edit the order directly. You can update products, adjust quantities, and make changes to shipping or fees. Be careful when editing live orders, especially after payment has been made, so that your records remain accurate. If you need to place an order on behalf of a customer or create one manually for any reason, use the Add Order option. This is helpful for phone orders, custom requests, or offline sales that still need to be tracked in WooCommerce. Once you've finished reviewing or updating an order, save all order changes. This final step is essential so your edits are not lost and the order record stays current. That's the full process for managing orders in WooCommerce. With regular review and accurate updates, you'll keep your store operations smooth and your customers better informed.